What's up if you want to go to India? Hello there, I'm Dalma, your cool travel expert. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get an India e-visa for US citizens with iVisa in less than 7 minutes. So if you want to visit India and don't want to worry about your documentation or bureaucracy, you better keep watching. As one of the oldest civilizations in the world, India has a myriad of multicultural experiences. India tours are the perfect mix of spirituality and modernity. It is a paradise for travelers who want to discover new experiences and even discover themselves. No wonder why it is one of the most popular destinations in the world. From the snow-covered Himalayan heights to the tropical rainforests of the south, India is home to nature's bounty with great scenic beauty and wonders galore. Now, as of November 15th, India is reopened for tourism. Yes! So anyone can travel to India if they have the right documentation to do so. And if you're traveling from the United States, you will need an India e-visa. An India e-visa is a travel authorization that allows you to travel to India for tourism, business, or medical purposes. This application is done 100% online, and as you're applying online, you don't have to submit your passport or any other personal documents to the consulate. India e-visas are issued for multiple entries, and they can be valid for 30 days, 1 year, or up to 5 years. However, due to COVID-19, the 1 to 5 year tourist e-visas are not available at this time. How do you get it, you ask? Well, applying for an India e-visa tends to be a little bit frustrating. Honestly, that's like the most frustrating thing of planning a trip to India. Lucky for you, I am here to help you with this process. So in order to get an India e-visa, follow these steps. But first, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and turn on your notifications so you're always up to date and know how to process any sort of travel documentation. So where were we? In order to get an India e-visa, you must A, do the whole application by yourself by visiting this link, and you may find it in the description below. Navigate through the Indian website in a process that can take around 45 minutes, and your application may be turned down if any of your papers do not comply with the Indian government's terms and conditions. Or B, you can simplify this process by letting an expert do it for you. And here's where iVisa comes in. Go to iVisa.com and input the US as your nationality and India as your destination. Now click Apply Now. Now type in your email address. Make sure to type in the correct email address because once you're done with the process, you will receive your e-visa via email. Now you will only have to fill out some general information about your trip, such as a start date and end date. For this next step, make sure to have your passport ready because now we'll be asking for its number and expiration date. Select the processing time for your Indian e-visa to be delivered. You'll be able to choose between standard time, which takes around 5 days, rush, processed in 3 days, and super rush, which will be processed in just 2 days. You will also be able to add additional services to your application, such as an embassy registration and even a protection fee. Meaning, if you're unable to make your trip, we will process a new India e-visa application completely free of charge. For the last step, just review your application and finish by checking out. Now you will be able to pay with any major credit or debit card. And you're done. Now our team of experts will be taking care of your e-visa and deliver it to you via email. Yes, getting a visa with iVisa is as simple as getting a pizza. Sometimes I don't get why you make me do all this. They get is the fastest way, okay? Now, are you worried about how India is coping with the whole COVID-19 situation and the actual requirements and measures to get in the country? Well, we have the right video for you. You can check it out by clicking right here or here. Visiting ancient ruins, beautiful temples, white sand beaches, and wildlife sanctuaries is just a few clicks away. Let us do all the hard work for you so that you can only focus about planning the trip of a lifetime, having fun, and just live in the present moment, you know? At iVisa.com, we have over 8 years of experience and over 330,000 documents processed. We are leaders in consumer travel documentation and in making people travel dreams come true. Our clients are happy because we save them time and give them peace of mind. And we are happy because we simplify travel around the globe. I'm Dalma, your cool travel expert. And I hope that this video was helpful and it makes you feel ready to visit the huge country that India is. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any important travel information in real time. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Safe travels.